rainbow colors of the Hot Wheels right there.
This has red, orange, yellow.
I know.
When who wins, you might get a prize. Here, is this our bird? Does it go down reverse?
Yeah. Go down in reverse.
And then go up, go.
Yeah. Are you ready? Go and hit it. Right now. 1, 2, 3.
Wow!
What did you say? Wow?
Wow!
Now it's okay.
Stop!
And Mila is gonna get the green and red Hot Wheels, and I'm gonna get these two.
Oh, what's it? It's
These two.
Go and load it to the truck.
And Mila is gonna put it in the truck.
These are already opened this. Actually, this.
Mark, I just wanna buy a lot of pillow on the couch. What happened to the burger boy? It's right here. It's like a candy. Red, green, orange. Look at the burger right here. Burger, Bob Bob. Burger, Bob Bob. Okay, let's see what is the surprise from the...
Look! It's this one.
Spider-Man bag. There you go. Just fix it again. Mark is learning the piano right away. The bus is just waiting. Mark is not pointing or hitting the bubbles. He's imagining the piano. Oh, with that it good.
Whoa!
Squeeze it, boy. Squeeze it harder. More. Come on, boy. Squeeze it harder, boy. Yay! Matthew's squeezing the ball. I mean, duckling. The little chick on the YouTube. Millions of views around the world.
Bob.
Bob. There's no Elmo there, boy. There's a dinosaur, boy.
Blue, pink, purple. This is a police car, so it's gonna go to the police station.
Okay.
This is the fire truck to go to the fire truck house.
Alright.
This is the ambulance to go to the ambulance house to share with the fire truck.
Hans, you forgot to laugh and say, yay! Say something. Mark did it again. See?
Oh my! Ah! We're ready. We're ready.
It's a Halloween party, boy. Mark, I want you to put all SpongeBob. Mark, go ahead and spill it. There's a lot of trumpet inside. This is your happy birthday. Happy birthday, okay? Special edition. Tell everybody what's that. Okay? Okay. We have the F1 right here. Formula. Special edition right here. It's coming on Las Vegas. We're going to visit the Las Vegas, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? 16, 17, 18. There's a
I can breathe.
whistle.
I found this. This is my. I did it.
Slide the SpongeBob burger onto the truck. Some more. All over. All over. Come on.
Daddy. Or
Grocery store. Go ahead and introduce your pillow.
Okay.
Everybody. We have a pillow right here. You have another blanket right there. $17.99 right here. Okay, plus stocks. I know.
My pillow. It's my ponytail pillow.
Yay! That's $17.99. Put it away and show the others.
This is the SpongeBob. And this is another pillow.
This is SpongeBob, you said. This is the one right here. Mark, show everything, please.
And this is the different.
That's another $17.99
This is.
from Target.
And then I got it.
See, I have another one. Stand up. Go, stand up. Yeah, that's a Batman blanket, boy. Sit down, please. I cannot see you.